Today I'm going to show you how to open a can of Coke. Right here I have a can of Coke. See all four sides. It's a can of Coke. I'm going to show you how to open it. The first thing you'll want to do is clean off the top of it. This is the part where you'll probably put in your mouth towards, and you don't want to be touching whatever was on that. So you just take a clean cloth and I wipe it. Some people wash their can of Coke, but I'm just going to wipe around the mouth area right here. And then I'm going to set it down flat. Now it's important that you sit it down on a flat surface. Once you have it on a flat surface, you're going to take one hand, perhaps your dominant or non-dominant hand, whatever hand it is, hold the Coke can, and then you'll take the other can and you'll take your finger, and what you'll do is you'll try to pick up a little bit. Try to get your finger underneath that part right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up. And when I lift up, this part of the can is going to press down, opening this part of the can for me to open up the Coke. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go through the process, wipe the mouth section down, place the can of Coke on a flat surface, take one hand, whether it's dominant or non-dominant hand, and hold it down, P-O-P. Okay, so you're going to hold down the can like that. I'm going to take the finger underneath, and I'm going to lift up and watch it press down. And once I press it down, you can see the mist coming out. That's indicative that the can of Coke is open when you see that mist. Now that I have it to this step right here, you see where the lid is down, or this part is down, this flappy thing is back. I can't go ahead and drink it like that. So what I'm going to have to do is hold the can down, P-O-P, and I'm going to go ahead and push this back into place to where it was. And when I do this, it's going to fold back, but it's not going to be nearly as nice as it was when I first got the can of Coke. So let's go ahead and do that process. So I'm going to take this, push it back. See that? Keep on pushing it back, back, back. And you can try to press it all the way down, but like I said, it won't lay down flat like we had it before. So this right here is the open can of Coke. You can go ahead and pour this into a glass with ice, without any ice, shaken, not stirred, however you like. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you open a can of Coke. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.